Okay, for those of you that have now your hair completely pulled out because you don't know about name servers and pointing domains and all that sort of thing, as I said, I was going to do a wee quick video to show you just what I was talking about in one of the previous videos. So if you go first of all to Namecheap, or wherever you pick your name, you log in, manage your domain, pick the domain basically that you have registered, and it will bring up this menu here. And there's a thing here that says transfer DNS to web hosts. So what you want to do is transfer basically where your web servers are going to be, basically where your website is hosted. And you click on that transfer DNS to web host. Now there's lots of exciting stuff in here. It says here specify custom DNS servers. What you do is you put in 2 server addresses in here. Now where do you find them? Well, if you go back, in my example actually I'm doing my hosting through HostGator, so go back to HostGator, and if you scroll down here you'll see, there we are, name servers. See there? That's the name servers for HostGator. We want to copy those there. One is NS for name server 8143. Control C copies it, and 8144. So we go back to Namecheap, paste them in there, and the other one was 8144. So what happens now when we save changes? Anybody going to that domain name will be basically forwarded over to HostGator, to where your website or your WordPress blog is hosted. I hope I can make that clear. I don't want to confuse you completely, but basically this is putting in the name servers into your domain name provider. In this case, mine is Namecheap. Yours could be 123.reg. It could be any one of 100 things, but the process is the same. You switch to transfer DNS to web host. Basically, in this case, it's HostGator. You put in what the name servers are for HostGator, and you go save changes. Now that'll take a wee while to populate, as they talk about. It'll not just happen immediately. So what will wait? You have to just wait. They say up to 24 hours. And what will happen is now when you put in your www.bestbikesintheuk.co.uk or .com, it will go straight to your website that you've hosted on HostGator. If you did that prior to that, all you would get was a Namecheap page saying that you have registered the name through Namecheap or whatever the name of your domain provider is. It's just like a holding page. So we want to point that to where your website is hosted. I hope I've made that clear. I understand it, but trying to put it across sometimes maybe confuse you even more. So I hope you're not pulling out what hair you have left. But again, like before, if you have a problem, shoot me an email and I'll try and help you as best I can. So we'll finish that video for here. It's just a wee short quickie just to explain what this name server thing was all about.